How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 69 Camaro RS SS 427. It's done in a super slick hugger orange, black stripes. Car's had a complete rotisserie restoration build. Super nice car. It's got all the hideaway headlights. The bumper's all been redone. Car's got all new glass. Super slick, flat, show quality paint on the car. Nice set of 18-inch Riddler wheels. Taillights, rear bumper, all new on the car when they built it. All the panel fitment, just excellent on this car. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. This has a GM crate ZZ427. It's got Phytech fuel injection, Super T10 4-speed. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. Nice big heavy duty radiator in it. Gorgeous car. Got 12-bolt posi rear. All the jams, everything. Interior is excellent. Got the 3-spoke sport wheel. It's got 2,700 miles on it since the restoration was completed. They just shoulder strap seat belts in it. Nice upgrade. It's got the deluxe seat covers. Super nice car. All inside the trunk's real nice. Jack, spares, all there. You have to kind of bear with us, the sun keeps coming and going. Does have a Bluetooth stereo system in it. The little knob there is your volume. You link your phone to it. It's got front rear speakers, nice custom kick panel speakers. Doors shut perfect on this car. Fires right up. Got the electric hideaways. Tell you, it's just a super cool car right there. An F427 ZZ crate motor, just a super nice combination right there. Backup lights, everything works. Dude, that's just a cool car right there, buddy. That thing goes on the road so nice. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day.